Okay, fish. It's time. It's time. No wasting time. You guys will see all the Octominer X12 Ultras on this shelf in 3, 2, 1. Oh man, look at that. Okay, I'm actually very surprised with myself. That only took me 34 minutes and 40 seconds to unbox the rest of the 8 Octominers. And also, I plugged them all in with the respective power cables and also the Ethernet as well. Okay, so all of you guys can stop asking me when I was gonna get these on. Okay, they're up now. All right, that's it. Video's done. You guys can close the video. Just kidding, just kidding. Actually, I wanted to do just a little giveaway while I was like, you know, unboxing the Octominers and kind of cleaning up. I found this AAA wave mining rig frame, the Sluice 6 GPU mining frame. So just comment down below. I want to give this away. Comment down below your guys' thoughts of this video, as I'm going to turn these on and talk about a little bit of issue I had with these when I was unboxing them. So just comment down below your guys' thoughts about anything in this video. If you're USA or Canada, comment down below. I will choose the winner after 24 hours. I'll ship this out to you just like this, okay? AAA wave frame, 6 GPU mining frame. I believe it looks like this. Yeah, it's actually this frame right here, 6 GPU. I have actually a few more of these, but they're all made and I'm too lazy to take them all apart. All right guys, let's talk about the Octominers. Okay, so I unboxed all of them. All right, you guys can get off my back about these. I had a fun time unboxing them, plugged them all in. I haven't turned them on yet, okay? And just words from the wise. For anyone that like buys these things, okay, make sure, because Pcsp ships them in these amazing boxes, okay, they actually did an amazing job, you know, packing these. I believe they do their own spray foam, like they put in the X12 in there and then they spray around it and then they wrap it in this stuff here. So it's their own makeshift padding, which is really good in my opinion. Pcsp did a really good packing job with their spray foam here. But in shipping, okay, and this goes with anybody that is getting shipped one of these things, you got to make sure that you reseat the power supplies. Okay, so when you first get them, okay, I'll just show you an example. Make sure with all 3 of them, they all come with 3. Well, mine came with 3. I did have one that burnt out because I didn't check. It wasn't in all the way. So just, you know, taking out the hot swappable power supplies, making sure that you reseat it back in. Okay, that was definitely not hard enough. Like that, okay? Make sure they're all the way in. I had a couple of them when I was unboxing them, like a good 3 or 4 of them that weren't in all the way. So during shipping, they were dislodged from the back. So be sure to triple check the HP server PSUs on the back of these when you first get them in shipping. You want to just make sure you push them in all the way, okay? Reseat them. As well, I also took out the top lids of them, all of them, okay? Surprisingly, I unboxed them, plug them all in, unscrewed the 6 screws on each of the Octominers. I'm actually really proud of myself. I don't know, I was like really motivated, disciplined. Anyways, taking off the cover, you want to make sure you inspect the inside. The PCIe cables, I had 2 of them that had a 6-pin PCIe that was a little bit dislodged, okay? So you want to make sure all the PCIe cables are pushed into the hot swappable power supply bay area, as well as the GPUs. Because any PCIe that's a little bit dislodged, that could cause a fire or a burn. And you guys have seen many pictures of that before. And I know that happened to a lot of people before me. So yeah, those are the 2 things. I just wanted to have a disclaimer in the beginning of this video when you are unboxing these, you know, type of Octominers or anything really, even ASIC miners. You know, ASIC miners, I take out the top cover just to make sure all the cables are plugged in, because in shipping, things can get dislodged. All right, so in this video, I'm gonna turn them on, but I haven't reformatted all the SSDs. And I know all of these Octominer SSDs are crap. And every time I have like a power outage, which I recently just had one, a few of these stock Octominer SSDs died. So I am planning, which I'm just gonna do this offline because it's, you know, it's a boring thing. I don't need to do this on video, but I have a whole bunch of the 120 gig Patriot bursts I bought on Black Friday for like super cheap. So I'm gonna replace probably most of these SSDs and format all the SSDs with HiveOS with my worker name. And I just realized something. Wait, we have 10 Octominers here. How come I have a open slot here? That is not right. Did I have in my other Octominer wall? I'm just trying to remember. Was that Was that Octominer like 10 across? Maybe this revision Octominer, the X12s that I have here, are a little bit thinner than the other Octominers I had. Wait, I'm just trying to think here. Maybe I'll put it on the screen here. You guys can see. Did I have 10 across on that? But I have 10 across here. So these Octominer X12s must be a lot thinner. So maybe I can add another one here. That's my OCD is really kicking in now. So probably some of you guys as well. Pcsp, if you're watching this, I need another one. Or I guess I can buy another one. Wait, well, I know the prices of these actually went up to like $400 now, which sucks. So that's pretty funny. So you all know when I got these like a couple months back, these were going for like $229 with the 470s. All right, all the ones I have here have RX 470s. Okay, guys, let's just turn them on. And let's just see if I have any issues, okay? We're not going to be mining, but I just want to make sure and see these all turn on. And see if we hear any issues. Okay, I know these two work because I've already set these up beforehand. But these three, okay, this one has a light going. That's I don't know if that's a good sign or not. This one is on. This one's on. Okay, these 5 are on its own PDU. Okay, so let's turn on this one. Okay. All right. So far, knock on wood, so far so good. I don't have any dead Octominers. Okay, power on. Power, power, power. Okay. I can feel a lot of wind right now. It's all being sucked through this way. Okay. Oh my God, that is awesome. So, I don't have my HiveOS image, like I said, on all of these, but let's just see how much power am I taking here. 11, almost 1200 watts, 1150 watts on this PDU. And then on this PDU, we are at 1150 as well. Okay, so yeah, at 229 volts, just idle. I'm not mining, obviously. Like I said, I don't have my worker names or anything associated to my account. So 1150 watts idle for all 10 of these Octominers. Man, this one that's missing is really gonna kill me. But man, it's all on. I am very, very happy right now. This is what it's all about. Here are my Ethernet cables, my switch. As you all know, I am doing the Ubiquiti bridge for my internet. That's going over like 150 feet, so that's been working well. And okay, my friends, that's it for this video. Just a little teaser, I guess, for getting these all up. And yeah, you guys are probably gonna see a lot of videos in the barn here over the next while because I'm actually on a trip right now. If you're watching this, most likely I am already out and about. Okay, so just to let you all know. So I'm gonna record like another, I don't know, another 5 or 10 videos in here. So I appreciate you all. Please get your comments in for the AAA wave frame here. I'll choose the winner. Well, actually, I'm traveling, so I guess I'll choose the winner after I come back. Get your comments in. Definitely gonna have someone to remind me about that. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. I got a lot more to talk about and also build. I got all my CMP 100-210s here that I will have to replace into that I'll have to put in these Octominers. That's gonna be a video in of itself, but I just want to try and mine on all these 470 8GB cards. That'll be the next video. All right, I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good one. Let me know your thoughts. Peace out. Oh, this one's down. Oh, shoot, that's not good. Whoa, that is definitely not good. Luxor's ASIC Shop, your one-stop destination for all your Bitcoin mining needs. For those of you who don't know, Luxor has been a trusted name in the mining industry for years. They've moved hundreds of thousands of ASICs for institutional buyers. Now, they're bringing that expertise to retail miners like us through their new ASIC Shop. Only need 1 unit? No problem. They've streamlined the process for small orders because no order size is too small. Need replacement Bitcoin mining parts? They have it all, readily available and shipping from their Montana warehouse for fast shipping domestically or to 31 international countries. Use discount code RedPanda for $100 off orders over 3,000 at checkout. Luxor's ASIC Shop, making Bitcoin mining easy, profitable, and accessible for everyone. Link down below.